Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so as I will keep posting new videos related to software testing, automation and other tech related videos as soon as possible. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most commonly asked interview question. Tell me something about yourself. So basically, if you have appeared in any interviews, this is one of the first question that is being asked by the interviewer. Tell me something about yourself. So if you haven't planned your answer accordingly, and if you are not sure what to say in this first question, then it gives a very negative impression, and this can minimize your chances of getting selected in the interview. So here in this video I am going to let you know how you can answer this question in a very good and precise manner. So once an interviewer asks you about yourself, the first thing you need to keep in mind is you need to greet the interviewer. If you are interviewing in the morning, you need to say him good morning, and if you are interviewing him in the evening, you need to say to him good evening. And accordingly, you need to greet the interviewer. The second point is your name. Once you have greeted, you need to tell your name to the interviewer so that he can validate from your resume that okay, I am interviewing SAF or I am interviewing XYZ. The third point is you need to tell your university from where you have done your graduation, or maybe you have done your post graduation. So if you have done your graduation from Amity University, you can say I have done my graduation from Amity University in BTech Computer Science with any majors or minors if you have done. Then the fourth thing is you need to highlight your impressive experience and accomplishment. Maybe if you have done any task by your own, or maybe you have delivered anything by your own, you need to showcase that and you need to show it as an accomplishment that okay, you are able to deliver one of the releases individually because without the help of the QA lead or something like that. And the last point is current profile and current company. So basically, once you have let the interviewer know about your experience and your accomplishment, university and your name, you need to tell him what you are doing in your current company, what work you are doing, what roles and responsibilities you are following or you are doing in your current company, so that he gets an idea of how you are doing the work and what work you are doing and at what level you are doing those work. Is it that anyone needs to tell you what work you need to do, or maybe you are just taking the ownership of the task and you are doing it individually? So all the technical skills and soft skills you need to tell wherever you are good, and you also need to tell each and everything in brief. Like if you are working in Java and APM, you need to let him know that you are working as an automation tester. So based on the above points, let us see how we can frame our answer the best way we can answer this question. Tell me something about yourself. Hello, I am Saf Siddiqui. I am working as a quality analyst for the last 2 years. I did my graduation from Amity University. I started my career as a manual test engineer, but doing some automation by automating some feature on Selenium and TestNG. I have done manual testing on web application testing and mobile application testing like acceptance testing, usability testing, functional testing, black box testing, regression testing, compatibility testing, integration testing, system testing. I have also created a test case, executed test case, and logged bugs. Currently, I am working on automating web application with Selenium, Java, TestNG using page object model. So if you haven't worked on automation, you don't need to include this line. Hope you liked my video. Do subscribe to my channel.